I mentioned the nightmare scenario that we face, which is that our children are going to be less healthy than we are. They're going to lead shorter, less healthy lives than we are. That's the picture of health of our kids in this country on the eve of President Trump's election. I'm so proud to be part of the administration, President Trump, Secretary Kennedy, for their leadership in addressing that stark reality. What this report represents is a path out of that nightmare scenario. 128 concrete steps to take, many of which involve excellent science, gold standard science, and I thank Michael Kratsios for his leadership of the OSDP for articulating what gold standard science really means. You might ask yourself, well, do we really need excellent science to say, don't feed our kids so much sugar, don't go out and get some exercise every once in a while? I mean, that's all true. There's common sense things you can do, but there are real scientific issues that need to be addressed. Why are autism rates going up so quickly? What can we do about it? What's the answer for type 1 diabetes for kids? What are the long-term effects of the rising use of antidepressants in children? The problem of ADHD. You can go on and on and on and on. What you have is a picture of real questions that need to be answered with excellent science. Even in nutrition alone, you can go back in history and say, okay, are eggs? Remember when eggs were bad for you? I mean, I grew up with a phobia of eggs because apparently cholesterol is bad, but now they're a superfood. I don't know if everyone's read my friend and colleagues Marty Carey's book, Blind Spots, but what it lists is essentially a category of a catalog of scientific failure because they haven't addressed the key questions that American parents that really want answered. How can we keep our kids healthy? What we have in this report is a commitment of this administration to address those questions with gold standard science and to provide answers to them so that when we look back years from now, we'll say this was the dark days. And in fact, now America's children will look forward to a brighter future, healthier, and a little longer lives than we at the table will. Thank you.